In today's unpredictable market, it's common for businesses to tuck away operating cash, preparing for rainy days ahead. But could this cautious approach be dampening your company's financial potential? While having a safety net is essential, excessive cash reserves might actually be an inefficient use of your capital. Let's explore a systematic approach to fine-tuning your cash reserves and enhancing your company's financial performance. First, consider the carrying cost of cash. It's the gap between what you earn on your cash and what you pay to hold onto it. In reality, many business accounts offer little to no interest, meaning your cash could be costing you more than it earns, especially if you're also dealing with debt. Determining the optimal cash reserve isn't a one-size-fits-all equation. By analyzing your liquidity metrics against industry standards, you can start to see if your capital might be better deployed elsewhere. Creating prospective financial reports can illuminate whether your reserves are oversized. A detailed forecast can account for expected cash flows, capital expenditures, and debt obligations, guiding you towards a balanced cash reserve. So, what should you do with excess cash? Investing in marketable securities, repaying debt, buying back stock, or even acquiring assets from competitors are strategies that could yield higher returns than a stagnant savings account. Formal financial forecasts and projections aren't just numbers on a page. They're a roadmap to a more efficient use of capital, ensuring you have enough cash on hand for operational needs while putting surplus funds to work. Ready to take a closer look at your cash management strategy? Let's work together to develop a plan that not only secures your business's short-term needs but also maximizes long-term financial growth. With the right approach, your business can navigate through uncertainty with confidence, ensuring your cash reserves are not just safe, but smartly allocated. Contact us today to pave the way to financial efficiency and success. This script aims to guide businesses through the complexities of managing cash reserves in an uncertain market, emphasizing the importance of strategic planning and efficient capital use. It encourages businesses to engage in proactive financial forecasting and explore dynamic investment strategies to enhance their financial standing and secure long-term growth.